Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to manage your inventory in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after successfully logging into your account, now you'll be greeted by this home page right here where the left side of the screen we can see all the options and sections we can access, such as home, products, orders, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can manage our inventory. We have two ways, guys. The first way is the manual way. What you can do is click on the product section right here, the left side of the screen. That's going to enable you in this new menu that appears, then select inventory section. After selecting the inventory section here, you'll be able to take a look at your inventory, how much is available, as you can see, and how much inventory you have. So here you can manage your inventory. Go ahead and select how much you have available, how much you have in hand, and so on. This is the easiest way and the manual way. But guys, if you want, and because you have too many inventory options, you have too many products that you can do all by hand, what you can do is use an app. So you can click the add apps option right here, and in the new menu that appears, you want to open up the Shopify App Store. So after opening up the Shopify App Store, it's going to open up the App Store. By the top of the screen, you can find the search option. So you want to click the search bar and you want to search for inventory. After searching for the inventory, guys, you can see this is not going to give us a list of all the apps that you have for managing your inventory. And one of them is this one right here, Assisted Inventory Management. So you have a lot of plans and a lot of options right here that you can check out. Check out all the apps, see which one works the best for you. So as you can see, you have a lot of reports right here. This is how easy it is to use it. So click the install button, and after clicking the install button, it's going to go ahead and proceed with the installation process. So you want to launch it, log into your account, complete the installation process by clicking the install button, and so on. And after that, application is going to appear right here on your apps, and you can get started using it for managing your inventory. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.